Noolstrala the Cafe by Nuvosis in Indonesia. Noolstrala the Cafe is an artisan bakery based in Tangerang, Indonesia. Noolstrala provides warmth by our freshly proofed goods on a daily basis. For the past 2 years, Kade Chandra, the co-founder of Noolstrala Bakery, confidently established his own bakery with partner/baker, Laura Hidayat. In 2023, Noolstrala the Cafe was launched with its brand vision to be the first credible artisan bakery in Gading Serpong that focuses on community building, innovative concepts, and quality products. Noolstrala is committed to continually, creatively, and consistently offering customers the very best product, bringing new experiences that differentiate us from other competitors. In line with collaborations, Noolstrala's ambitious plan is to involve more communities and brand collaborations in numerous locations across the city, and its own cafe. With genuine enthusiasm following Noolstrala's bread, combined with an honest-to-goodness approach to baking and collaborating, it's only a matter of time before Noolstrala is listed as one of the city's trusted artisan bakeries.